Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prishita Pathak, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this makeup look. This is a festive vibes makeup look, and today is Diwali. Happy Diwali to you guys. So if you guys want to know how to get this makeup look, then please keep watching.
To begin the makeup, I'm gonna start with applying a primer. Now I'm gonna be applying a foundation all over my face, and then I'm gonna be blending it all with a slightly damp beauty blender. Then I'm gonna be applying concealer under my eyes, and I'm also gonna apply the concealer on my eyelids just for a smooth application of eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna be applying face powder just in the areas that I have applied the concealer. Now applying eyebrow pencil. Then for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this brown color eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this on my transition line. Then I'm going to be taking this peach shimmery shade on my ring finger, and I'm going to apply this on the center of my eyelids. And then I'm going to be taking the same brown eyeshadow and applying that on my lower lash line. Now I'm curling my eyelashes with an eyelash curler. Then I'm gonna be applying a mascara. This is Maybelline Sky High Mascara. And I was so impressed by this that I shot a before and after. Then I'm going to be applying blush on my cheeks and on my nose. And then I'm going to blend it with the beauty blender. Then I'm going to be applying bronzer under my cheeks, under my chin, and on the top of my forehead. Now I'm going to be applying highlighter wherever I feel like light will hit on my face. Only at those high points I'm going to be applying highlighter. Then for the lips, first step is I use a lip liner. Then I use a lipstick. This is a very light shade lipstick. I'm also gonna use this very light shade of red lipstick on the top of my lipstick. Then at the very end, I'm gonna use a makeup spray, and then I'm gonna dab the spray in with the beauty blender. And this is the finished makeup look.
So guys, that was the makeup tutorial of how to get this makeup look. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Okay guys, bye. I will see you in my next video.